So today I'm going to show you how to make your all-purpose seasoning from scratch. But before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button, tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as there's more recipes available. This is all my ingredients that I need to start making our all-purpose seasoning. Scallion, and you already know guys, this is straight from my backyard. Red onion, garlic, thyme, and onion. My ingredients are already clean and washed, and I'm ready to chop them up. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like, and we're ready to start the drying process. After 1 week of drying, this is what my seasoning looks like. Remember, we're doing all-purpose powder seasoning. So this is what it looks like 1 week in. Week 2 of making our all-purpose seasoning. Week 3 of baking our all-purpose seasoning. Look how dry, well dry. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna grind all of this seasoning up today. Okay guys, look at this. Your all-purpose seasoning is ready to be used. After 3 weeks of drying, we went ahead and we grind. So here I have just an ordinary coffee grinder. I had it for a couple of years, so I didn't need to go out and purchase anything else. So I used it and I just grind it, get it as small as possible. And look at this. But before you grind, you gotta make sure it's fully dry. So you gotta get those seasoning well dry. And I just had my seasoning here on the countertop laying out, didn't put a lid on or anything. And voila, look at this. And making your own seasoning from scratch, guys, is always good because you know what's in there. Guys, look at this. Look at it. Oh my gosh. But I'll catch you guys in my next video. So bye for now.